Hi, my name is Win,
And I'm Frank Erdogan.
and this is our mini soccer arcade. So the game rules are each player takes turn shooting the soccer ball into the goal from the red dot. First player to 6 points wins, and each goal is 1 point. So we laser cut the players out. We also laser cut the holes for each, for the buttons and for the 7-segment displays. I use calipers to measure the width and height of the displays and for the diameter of the buttons. In CAD, I CAD'd out each panel individually, and then we assembled it into one final build. And then we got cardboard from home and cut them out by hand. Now Frank is going to talk to you about the circuit design.
So we used multisim, and we ended up designing this entire circuit. So this is what we ended up doing: is we made 2 to-bounce buttons for the players. Then we used a reset logic hooked up here to reset the 2 asynchronous counters, which are then hooked up to the LED displays to display your count. We had no physical problems with the actual build. However, on the circuit, we had problems with our asynchronous counters. We were able to get through our buttons pretty well. However, on the asynchronous counters, usually 1 or 2 wires was hooked up wrong. And another common mistake we made was putting power and ground in for the wrong chips, as we were not familiar with the 93 ports. To troubleshoot this, what we ended up doing is that we ran a wire, 2 wires, and an LED attached to it to see that if it would light up or not, and we checked in our multisim with the same logic.
My favorite thing that I enjoyed is I like cutting out the pieces with the laser.
And the thing I enjoyed the most was watching the asynchronous counter work. One thing we'd add or change is we'd add the demuxer so that we could save power on each LED so that it cycles through each segment. And we'd add that to both.
Hello, this is the bonus for our mini soccer circuit. So basically how it works is this display only gets 1 segment of it lit up at a time. It does this by using a muxer and a demuxer ran by another asynchronous counter. So as you can see, it displays 1 side at a time. And over here, 1,